A warm welcome to all. Way back before you were born, God knew there was a need. So God picked your fertile heart and planted a caring seed. Then He waited and He watched, knowing before too long the desire in you to help others would continue to grow strong. These are the words said by Edwin C. Hofford. As we all know, International Nurses Day is a global event observed on 12th May every year. It is mainly observed to honor the nurses in healthcare for their diligence and service to society. 12th May is also the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. Oftentimes we hear that nursing is more of a calling than a profession. As nursing students, we don't realize the weight of this statement. But as we go through our nursing journey, pieces stick themselves together and we realize this probably might be true to some extent. We were called into this mission.
In this pandemic situation, observing International Nurses Day have a special value and meaning. It helps the world to understand the importance of an efficient healthcare system. Becoming a nurse is one of the most selfless acts a person can undertake. In a society of so many different races, cultures, customs and beliefs, nurses are a universal gift to all. Their dedicated work that they do and kindness they deliver on a daily basis should serve as a reminder of the fundamental humanity inside us all. As a nurse, we have the opportunity to heal the mind, soul, heart and body of those who are in need of our help. Nursing started when humanity started understanding each other's pain and started caring each other. It has always been a symbol of love and care. It's more than a profession. It is the selfless service that we give to others, leading them to a healthy and hopeful tomorrow. Like the love of a mother and the caring of a father, nursing is a divine service.
We are now living in a world petrified by the pandemic, a world which needs motivation and hope for survival. This is where a nurse becomes the light of hope. This is where even the slightest actions make huge difference. So, the theme for International Nurses Day is Nurses, a Voice to Lead, a Vision for Future Health Care. In 2021, we seek to show how nursing will look into the future as well how the profession will transform the next stage of healthcare.
Nurses. Just another word to describe a person strong enough to tolerate everything and soft enough to understand everyone. International Nurses Day is celebrated around the world every May 12, the anniversary of Florence Nightingale's birth. The International Nurses Day is important as it is based early on a term on dimensions of how to achieve the Millennium Development Goal which was established in 2000. The nurses has independent and collaborative roles to play towards achieving the Millennium Development Goals, which includes child maternity, improves mental health and ensure environmental sustainability, global partnership for development and to combat disease. This year, we are focusing on the term A Voice to Lead, a Vision for Future Healthcare. In 2021, we seek to show how nursing will look into the future as well how the profession will transform from the next stage of healthcare. The global pandemic COVID-19 has shown the world the important role that nurses play in keeping people healthy across the lifespan. While there has been significant disruption to healthcare, there has been also significant innovations that has improved across the care. In 2021, we will focus on the changes to and innovations in nursing and how this will ultimately shape the future of healthcare.
International Nurses Day provides a chance once in a year to define what needs to be done to deliver a more efficient healthcare services. Furthermore, this day provides an important role in making nurses well-informed, advised, encouraged and supported to deliver better works. Activities like competitions, awards, and free provision of medical services are provided to make the celebration memorable. It creates an avenue for nurses from different parts of the world to unite, use the opportunity to make contact with frontline staff, and in the light of this year's theme, Nurses, a force for change, a vital source for health, is essential that nurses as a principal force for change provides nursing care that is responsive to and is informed by the healthcare needs of the country and world at large.
Nursing is more than just a profession. It is a vocation, dedication, and a kind of heroism. Nurses are the front-line workers delivering essential care based on available resources in the highest form. During the pandemic time, the nurses are also involved in planning, organizing, implementing, and evaluating the effectiveness of healthcare services using the existing evidence-based practice. Nurses are truly the unsung heroes of the pandemic. Nurses are literally the lifeblood in India's devastating battle to save citizens from the COVID monster. Across hospitals, from big cities to the smallest hospitals, nurses are the muscle, the connective tissue, and the nervous system that fuels the business of saving lives. The work put in by the nurses in the COVID-19 crisis is a powerful and practical demonstration of the potential that nurses possess to address big healthcare challenges. Nurses have proved to be the health warriors who have taken on the responsibility very willingly with their heart and soul. This profession is central to tackling the pandemic, and nurses in every country have stepped up and stepped beyond their calling. It is a fearless passion ushering you into life and holding your hand till the end. The entire community is in the risk zone, particularly those in the intensive care units and those most directly involved in response to COVID-19 pandemic, oftentimes without adequate rest and with limited considerations for their mental health and well-being. Globally, there is already a change to the way the world is viewing nurses and healthcare professionals. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought nurses to the forefront of people's minds, and the media attention and public gratitude towards healthcare professionals is being captured on a daily basis. As not everyone understands what happens in a healthcare setting, the COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the importance of the contribution of nurses in healthcare prevention and promotion. We salute these healthcare warriors who work without any expectations and by sacrificing their personal life and family, and for their contribution in improving health outcomes and in saving lives.
A nurse, to go above and beyond the call of duty, the first to work and the last to live, the heart and soul of caring, a unique soul who will pass through your life with an impact for an eternity. Nurses are the unsung heroes of COVID-19 response. They will continue to be at the front line of patient care in hospitals and actively involved with evaluation and monitoring in the community. Nurses have to ensure that all patients acquire personalized, high-quality services irrespective of their infectious condition. More than 1.6 million of health workers in 34 countries have been infected by COVID-19 till 31st December 2020. 1 out of 6 of world nurses are expected to retire in the next 10 years. It means that 4.7 million new nurses will have to be educated. According to a recent survey report of International Council of Nurses and National Nurses Association, 20% of nurses are leaving their profession. They have also estimated that up to 13 million nurses could be needed to fill the global shortage and replace the nurses who leave in the next few years. The nurses are always in high demand. Presently, nurses constitutes the largest occupational group in the healthcare industry. According to the latest statistics, by 2025, the global healthcare staff market will grow. It shows that nursing is a booming field in the healthcare industry, and with time, the demand for nurses will increase. Nurses aim to provide holistic care to all patients, catering to their physical, emotional, psychological, intellectual, and social needs. Nurses practice and work in a wide range of healthcare settings. Like any other profession, nursing salary packages also increase with increasing experience. Nursing is a significant career choice for individuals who wish to help people and make a difference as a profession. A nursing career comes with numerous opportunities, challenges, and rewards. A nurse has to face so many problems, especially during COVID scenario, like long-standing hours, workplace hazards, violence, mental stress, etc. Therefore, proper management of such challenges should be recognized for the betterment of the nursing community. Today, the countries all over the world celebrate International Nurses Day. The theme of this year is Nurses, a Voice to Lead, a vision for future healthcare, and it focuses on the need for nurses to become more active and assert their leadership. So, don't underestimate the power we have, the power in number, interest, and the credibility of the extraordinary nature of the work that we do. Yes, we have done so much, but there is more that we can do. The power and potential that we have can do more, not just for ourselves, but also for the sake of our fellow beings. Thank you.